Hi, I'm Chris Gibson, President and Lead Architect at ORD Solutions. We've had 2 successful Kickstarter campaigns. Our backers' support made those projects a reality. We've listened to their suggestions. We've made the printer bigger, faster, stronger, easier to use, and we've added a new dimension to 3D printing, full color blending. Introducing the ROVA 4D. The ROVA 4D is an improvement in every way. It has a 12 by 12 by 12 inch build volume, aerospace grade aluminum frame, THK profiled bearings, Z ball screw, dedicated dissolvable support and flexible filament extruders, automatic bed leveling, a print layer cooling fan, liquid cooled hot ends, and a wireless interface. As a 3D printer, it is the best value in the industry. But it's more than that. It's a full color 3D printer. It works by using cyan, magenta, yellow, black, and white filaments and feeding them into one hot end where they are blended or mixed together at various ratios to get unique new colors. CMYK, like your office inkjet printer. You wouldn't think about going back to black and white TV. Full color 3D printing is a better experience. Instead of buying filament in a specific color and then loading it into the printer, you simply select the colors you want visually from an infinite palette and the printer automatically adjusts the color. Even though our professional grade printers will please even the most critical engineer, we've made it so easy to print in full color that even a child can do it. It's as easy as pick, paint, print. First, pick your model from the millions of free models that are already available online. Then paint the model.
I'm going to paint a gecko.
Then print the model. We're still prototyping the ROVA 4D and making leaps and bounds every day. Please help us fund the successful completion of our project by picking your pledge level from the right side of the page and sharing our project on Facebook and Twitter.
(3D)-Drucker helfen dir, atemberaubende Sachen zu erschaffen. Es macht Spaß, physikalische Objekte innerhalb einiger Stunden in den Händen zu halten. Deshalb haben wir Shredbuddy 3D entwickelt, der welterste Multimaterial-Zerkleinerer für deinen Schreibtisch. Shredbuddy 3D ist deine helfende Hand, wenn es um Zerkleinern von Kunststoffen geht. Mit der Idee, Plastiktrinkflaschen zu recyceln, um diese in brauchbare Pellets oder Granulat weiter zu verarbeiten, war Shredbuddy 3D geboren. Um eine konstante Pelletgröße zu erreichen, haben wir unser eigenes Motorsteuerungssystem entwickelt, welches dir ermöglicht, die Fördergeschwindigkeit stufenlos und die Richtungen zu regeln. Multimaterialzerkleinerer bedeutet zum Beispiel Reststücke von 3D-Druckerfilament, Kabelbinder, Plastikflaschen, Joghurtbecher, Angelschnur, Rasentrimmerschnur und viele mehr. Granulat- oder Plastikpellets werden in der Industrie als Rohmaterialien eingesetzt, um 3D-Druckermaterial, Haushaltsbehälter, Tüten und vieles mehr zu produzieren. Du kannst diese benutzen, um 3D-Druckermaterial mit einem vorhandenen Filamentextruder zu produzieren oder sie direkt mit einem Pellet-Extruder und 3D-Drucker in physikalische Objekte zu verwandeln. Shredbuddy 3D arbeitet mit einem erweiterbaren 2-Stufen-Prozess: Materialeinschub, Material zerkleinern. Befestige deinen vorhandenen Akkuschrauber oder Standbohrmaschine an die Zerkleinerungseinheit und es kann losgehen. Der Hauptkörper und die Zahnräder bestehen aus stabilem Kunststoff und werden 3D gedruckt. Des Weiteren arbeiten wir an erweiterbarem Zubehör, um sogar noch eine größere Auswahl an Materialien zu verarbeiten. Das aktuelle Design wird noch in seiner Anpassbarkeit und Einfachheit verbessert. Des Weiteren werden wir einen noch stärkeren Schrittmotor für den Materialanzug benutzen. Das ermöglicht es dir, Plastikflaschen und eine größere Auswahl an Haushaltsbehältern zu schneiden und zu zerkleinern. Eine erlesene Auswahl an Zubehör für verschiedene Materialien gibt es zu jedem Shredbuddy 3D dazu. Nach vielen Prototypen haben wir endlich einen Weg gefunden, aber wir benötigen eure Hilfe, um ihn zu beschreiten.
Do you need a much more accurate desktop 3D printer? Do you trust your 3D printer to finish your large and complex, high-quality jobs? Do you wish that operating and maintaining your 3D printer was much easier? After years of development and experience building many printers, we are proud to announce our 3 new Raise 3D FDM printers. Meet the N1, N2, and the N2 Plus. High quality, highly reliable, and easy to use printers built to be trusted by and meet the demands of serious 3D printer users like you. The N1 features a standard build volume of 8 inches by 8 inches by 8 inches. The N2 is roomier at 12 inches by 12 inches by 12 inches tall. The N2 Plus doubles the build height of the N2 to 24 inches for tackling your tallest jobs.
Some of the other things that I like is that the touchscreen display represents the print and the process. That percentage is illustrated really nicely through the preview of the model. Normally, the most time-consuming and complicated process is trying to organize and rename those 3D files. But with the Raise 3D's N-Series printers, the management of my files on their touchscreen display has been made easier and more manageable. But with the touchscreen display, you have a very clear graphic on how to operating my 3D printers.
Raise 3D printers are not only easy to use, they are also very accurate and reliable. Every printer starts with a CNC machined frame and components to ensure stable operation. The Raise 3D printers come with a heated build plate to assure great performance with a wide variety of printed materials. All machines come standard with a removable glass build plate covered with build tack for even better performance. And the N2 and the N2 Plus are pre-aligned at the factory so that you will never need to level and adjust the print bed. The Raise 3D printers are enclosed. The removable top cover can be used or removed based on the needs of your specific printing material. Our all-metal hot end can work up to 300 degrees Celsius, making it ready for a wide variety of future high-temperature filament. All 3 printer models can be upgraded to have a second extruder. With the dual extruder upgrade, you can tackle multicolored prints as well as complex prints that require dissolvable supports.
For me personally, I'm always splitting models into parts and then joining them together. And I always have problems with the seam lines. They always show through. I can fill them, friction weld them, sand and paint, and I always have problems with the seam lines. So being able to print larger models in one go eliminates this problem.
We would like to show you what we can do with our printers. Here are a number of prints that we have collected to show off the quality and capabilities of the Raise 3D printers.
So one of the worst experiences I've had with a large print, I have my compressor on and it'll overheat and it'll turn off the whole power to the whole thing. The Raise 3D remembers the exact position of the extruder, so when your power comes back on you just select resume and the print carries on as normal.
The Raise 3D printers come with a modern touchscreen control system with Ethernet and Wi-Fi networking. The control system is built with embedded Linux. We even have 16 accessible GPIO lines.
Another great thing about the Raise 3D printers is that not only can I, but any member of my team upload a file onto the printer software through its onboard Wi-Fi connectivity. Not only can I do this from the comforts of my desk, but really anywhere I have internet access.
Remote camera makes the whole printing process easier to monitor, even when we cannot look after the printers physically. Now everything is under control with the Raise 3D remote control.
Our Idea Maker Slicer has a powerful 64-bit multi-threading slicing engine that powers through the slicing tasks with ease. It is built to handle large-scale objects. The Idea Maker software is loaded with features, including the ability to automatically repair broken meshes and to split large models into smaller chunks. Idea Maker is highly adjustable, allowing you to use advanced settings to control nearly every parameter of the slicing process. We believe our printers are the best FDM 3D printer ever created, a printer designed for serious users. We look forward to your backing and support to make this project happen. With your help, we hope to raise the standard of 3D printing. Thank you.